Hello all. So our Android application is Dementia Patient Helping App. So this is basically an application that helps patients with some memory issues like forgetfulness or feeling lost or anxious. So our app helps them to remind of their schedule or the locations, save some frequent places they visit, etc. So this is our login page, and the user can use username and password to log in. So username is basically email ID. So first the user need to sign up. To sign up, the user need to give these details: first name, last name, email, password, and emergency contact. And there is also option to set up a medical ID. So this medical ID has following a menu, like along with the date of birth, blood type, weight, and height. There is also medical conditions and medications, and also a medical assist contact number. So these things can be used when there is emergency situation, and when someone needs to help, they can use this, or the app also use this contact number and these details whenever the user is feeling anxious or lost.
Okay, we have a home screen where we have my reminders, my routine, my addresses, and feeling anxious, feeling lost, medical ID, and all those details. Like the user can use all these details. When it comes to my reminders, the user can have reminders where he can create a new reminder with title, notes, date, time, and location. Location is a toggle where he can toggle in. So here the Google Maps API, the Google Maps page will be popped out where he can select a location. So basically here we are integrating with the Google Maps API. And when he'll click on that, it will be added. And we have a my routine where the user can add his routine, make wake time and bedtime routine one. These are all the time based kind of boxes. And the user can add his own routine also, like title, notes, time, and all those fields. So there is be address book where user can add his addresses, and there will be integration of Google Maps here also. Where he click on that, then a pop-up will be opened, and he can select a address based on it, or multiple addresses. So this is another page. Over to you, Divya.
Yeah, so when the user is feeling anxious, he can come to this page, and this take deep breath is just a tip for him. Then there are two options here: to get medical assistance or to call emergency contact. So if the user presses the get medical assistant, the medical assistant ID which is saved in the his medical ID will be used, or in to call emergency contact which he provides while signing up. The other one is felt lost. So this one here, the user can come to this page whenever he's feeling lost. He started something and forgot what he's on. So here he can come and view the addresses saved, or he can get a quick peek into the routine or call emergency contact.
So we are working on three integrations here. One is Google Maps integration, and Wear OS integration, where user can have a notifications and the reminders all coming into his palm, like in his hand. So he'll have that watch when if he have some Wear OS app, he can do that one. And there is another integration with or what you call location based integration. When he is in a different location, and the reminders will be triggered automatically. So that is our app. Thank you all.
Thank you.